Hello everyone. Just like a school or any educational institution has multiple teachers and professors, your online school could have its very own faculty and multiple authors operating in it. All you've got to do is just add them as an author against the items that they've created. For instance, currently this lecture that I've created on my school has my name on as the author here, right? This is the lecture detail page. And whenever someone lands on this lecture on my school, they will see my name here. But what if I am not the author of this lecture? What if this lecture has someone else for an author, another tutor or another faculty member? It would be unfair for me to publish this lecture under my name then, right? So all you need to do is for this lecture, come to author details by clicking on edit, selecting author details from the more tab. And in here, you add the details of the author that you're about to add for this particular lecture. So you add in the author's name. For example, this lecture was given to me by, hey, A.R. Rahman. So A.R. Rahman took out some time to create a lecture for my school. All right, so I put in his name under the author name and then a little description telling the people what he is, who he is, what his experience is, or whatever, like a 2-3 liner bio. So this is A.R. Rahman's bio. Let's add in this as a dummy text. All set. And then there's also the option of adding a profile picture of this author. As you can see right now, this has my profile picture. But if the name is going to change, you ought to add a profile picture as well. So we click on upload, select files to upload. And there you go. Yep, this looks good. We click on upload and it's done. So the author name is there, the description is there, and now even a profile picture. And lastly, these are optional. If you want to add some social links so that your students can also contact them or get in touch with this particular author, you can add those social links from here, right? These are all the options. So I'm going to skip them for now. But once you've added all the details, you click on save. And the author of this lecture is now changed, just like that. Want to see? Let's go back to our lecture here and simply click refresh. Let's scroll down. There you go. This lecture now has a different author. Congratulations. So that is how you add an author to a lecture. It's that simple. Of course, the school remains yours, but every lecture that you add on it has a different author whose details you can add from under the author details. All right. So thank you so much for watching this one. Bye-bye.